Most people think they overthink because they want the right decision. That's not true. They overthink because they want certainty. This is the first video in a short series about why decisions feel hard and how to move without forcing motivation. In the next videos, we'll look at why you avoid things you've already decided and how to take action even when motivation is low. But first, you need to understand this. A decision is not certainty. It's not a prediction. It's not a guarantee. And it's not proof that nothing will go wrong. A decision is something simpler and heavier. A decision is a willingness to accept a consequence. When you overthink, you're not actually analyzing. You're delaying that acceptance. Your mind keeps asking, what if I regret this? What if there's a better option? What if this goes wrong? Not because you need more information, but because your brain wants emotional safety. Overthinking is not a thinking problem. It's an emotional avoidance strategy. Your mind is postponing the moment where you have to say, I don't know how this will turn out, and I'll deal with it anyway. That's why thinking more doesn't help, because the discomfort isn't intellectual, it's emotional ownership. So here's the shift that actually works. Stop asking, what's the best decision? Start asking, which outcome am I willing to live with? Not the perfect one, the real one. If this choice fails, can I recover? If it works, can I commit to it? This reframes decisions from finding certainty to choosing responsibility. And yes, responsibility feels heavy at first because it removes the illusion that more thinking will protect you. But once you accept this, something changes. Your mind slows down because there's nothing left to solve. You're no longer waiting to feel safe. You're choosing to move despite uncertainty. That's what confident decision makers do differently. Not fewer doubts, just faster acceptance of consequence. In the next video, we'll talk about something even more uncomfortable. Why you avoid things you've already decided, and why action only starts after accepting loss, not confidence. Subscribe to the Brain Map to follow the rest of this series. We don't push motivation here. We explain what actually blocks action.